Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you don't understand WordPress and hosting a website builder, which one is better for you, then this video is for you. So let's talk about WordPress first. Basically, WordPress is super powerful and used by millions of websites. You can create blogs, online store, business sites, basically anything. But it's not always easy if you are just starting. You need to learn how things work, and something you will need to fix a small issue yourself. On the other side, hosting a website builder is different. It's much easier to use. You can just drag and drop and you can get anything where you want, and you can build your website without any coding. It is faster for beginners who just want to get set up and running quickly. WordPress gives you more control and flexibility, while hosting a builder is quicker and simpler. So if you are tech savvy person or if you want full freedom, then you should go with WordPress because it has the freedom and control. Other side, if you want to launch something fast and clean, hosting a builder is great pick for you. So both are great, but it depends on your need and preferences. So if you want to try and if you want to get more information, I have added full information and all the links in the description section. So if you think this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.